everyone! So for this video is tuturuan ko naman kayo on how to solve quadratic equations using quadratic formula. So this is also for grade 9 students. Okay, so i-check nyo yung ating mga iba't ibang klase ng lesson all about solving quadratic equations by quadratic formula, factoring, extracting square root, completing the square. Okay, so we have here x squared plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So, palagi nyo tatandaan, dapat ang mga sinosolve natin is always in the standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Naka-equate to 0. Alright? So, in this equation, madali lang to. What are we going to do first is to get a, b, and c. Get the value of a, b, and c. Palaging tatandaan, ang a natin is itong nasa first term. A should not be equal to 0. Okay? So, A, ayan. Ang ating B is ito. Yan. And ang ating C. Then, kunin natin yan. A is, of course, ano ba ang kasama nito? X squared. We have 1. B is equal to, ayan, 3. And C is equal to negative 10. Ayan. And then, right after that, we're just going to substitute this value into the quadratic formula. So, ito yung ating quadratic formula. We have x is equal to negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So, that is our quadratic formula. So, huwag kayo matakot dito, no? Madali lang to, iisa-isahin natin step by step para alam niyo talaga kung paano siya isolve. So, kunin lang natin yan. X is equal, yung negative dito is always nandito. Okay? So, negative, ano ang value ng b natin? We have 3. So, lagay nyo lang yan dyan, 3. And then, plus and minus, square root of b squared naman, b squared. So, palitan nyo lang ulit yung b ng 3. Ayan, 3 raised to 2. So, huwag nyo kalilimutan yung square. Minus 4 times, ano ang value ng a? We have 1. Tama? Times value ng C, we have negative 10. Okay? And then right after that, overlap. 2 times A is 2 times 1. Okay? And then, you are just going to simplify. We have negative 3, ibaba lang. Plus and minus, ito muna yung isimplify nyo, nasa loob ng square root. Square root of 3 raised to 2 or 3 times 3, that is 9. Then, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times negative 10 is positive 40. So, magiging plus 40 yan. Over 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? So, paunti-unti parang nakukuha natin, di ba? We have negative 3 plus and minus. 9 plus 40 is, of course, square root of 49 over 2. Okay? Then just get the square root of 49. You have negative 3 plus and minus. Square root of 49 is 7. Okay? And then, over 2. And as you can see, wala na tayong magagawa dito sa negative 3 plus and minus 7 over 2. Ang gagawin na natin dito is paghihiwalayin na natin sila. Okay, so paano natin sila paghihiwalayin? So ganito lang siya paghiwalayin. Di ba mayroon tayong diyang hati na plus and minus? So kukunin muna natin yung plus. Then we have x is equal to negative 3 plus 7 over 2. Okay? And then yung isa pa natin is x is equal to negative 3. Ano ba yung iwan? Minus. So, kunin natin yan. Minus 7 over 2. Ayan. Kita nyo naman. Ito ay negative 3 plus 7 over 2. Ito ay negative 3 minus 7 is equal over 2 rather. And then, just simplify again. We have negative 3 plus 7. That is positive 4. Over 2. Therefore, our x is equal to 2. Kasi 4 divided by 2 is 2. Ayan. Yan na yung value ng ating isang solution. Kunin natin yung next solution natin. We have negative 3 minus 7. That is negative 10. Over 2. And then, right after that, kunin nyo na. I-divide nyo na siya. Negative 10 divided by 2 is, of course, negative 5. Therefore, our x is negative 5. So, our solution for this quadratic equation is x is equal to 2 and x is equal to negative 5. As simple as that. Ganun lang siya kadali. Okay, so let's try to check kung tama ba yung nakuha nating sagot. So, kung para ma-check natin kung tama ba talaga yung nakuha nating solutions, which is positive 2 and negative 5, what are we going to do is, ganito lang. If x is equal to 2 and if x is equal to negative 5, just substitute the value of x to the equation itself. Okay? So, itong x natin is, yan, nandito. So, we have 2 squared. 2 squared. Tama? Plus 3, kopyahin. Times 2, dahil meron na naman siyang katabing x. So, we have 2 minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay? Then, simplify. 2 raised to 2 is 4 or 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 6 minus 10 is equal to 0. Kasi 3 times 2 ay 6. Then, kinopya lang natin si negative 10. Therefore, we have 4 plus 6 is 10. Minus 10 is equal to 0. 10 minus 10 is 0. Equal to 0. Are they equal? Both 0? Left and right side? Yes, of course. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is a correct solution of x squared plus 3x minus 10. Ngayon, tingnan natin si negative 5. Ganun lang din. Itong x magiging negative 5. So, that is negative 5 squared. Plus 3 times negative 5 as well. And then, minus 10. Lagay mo lang. Equal to 0. And then negative 5 times 5, that is 25 or positive 25. Be careful with the sign, mga bunso, no? Kasi once na medyo nagkakamali kayo sa sign, medyo maaapektuhan talaga yung mga solutions nyo. Okay? So, I advise you all na aralin yung rule of integers para hindi kayo malito sa mga sign. Okay? Meron tayo niyan nasa grade 6 or grade 7 playlist sa YouTube. Okay? Then plus, or rather, 3 times negative 5 is negative 15 minus 10, kasi kinokya lang natin yan, equal to 0. And then 25 minus 15, that is 10, minus 10, ayan, is equal to 0. 10 minus 10 is 0, equal to 0. Correct din sila, right? Parehas din silang 0. Therefore, x is equal to negative 5 is also a correct solution of x squared plus 3x minus 10. Parehas silang 2 and negative 5 as root or solutions. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple ang pagsasolve ng quadratic equation using quadratic formula. So, sana yung may natutunan kayo. Thank you so much everyone for watching. And always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Huwag niyo po kalimutang mag-subscribe, like tong video, and of course, i-hit mo na din yung notification bell down below. And huwag mo kalimutang i-share ito sa iyong mga classmates and friends. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.